second biggest one was caught by Brian Dalskog, 90 centimeters. Very nice. And you can stay here and we'll take the biggest perch yesterday as well. And amazing perch. This lake holds some really big fish. But the biggest yesterday was caught by Håkan Lundgren, 47 centimeters. Okay guys, this was the Saturday, really nice fish caught, and I'll call up some guys from today. You might heard some rumors or seen the boat speed very fast because this was a catch of a lifetime, I guess, on a competition. Finslot caught a 112 centimeter pike with a weight of 12 kilos. Fattest I've seen. And today we also have some really nice perch. Dane Wood from the UK caught a 46 centimeter one. Amazing catches, you can sit down.